Hi guys on YouTube, this is my cousin's Audi A4 car. As it is, it's a 2008, which makes it 15 years old. It comes in different colours, as this is one of the older versions. Here's the season, there. As I can see, I do like Audi. I've never filmed this car on my channel. I think I filmed the Toyota Avensis. I have never done a video of that. I think I'll do that today. Like, as you can see, it's a 15-year-old car, which makes it nearly 20 years old, nearly 16 years old, to be honest. And you get the new version will look completely different to this, and here's your wheels down there. Hey, opening the door. Hey, what this car is doing there, like that, and here's your window there. Everything there, and here's the steering wheel at the front, and the boot at the rear. Thanks for watching. Bye.